Every man likes to hear the words, "You've been upgraded, sir." Unfortunately today we won't be ushering you past the curtains at the pointy end of the plane, but instead showing you how to upgrade the graphics card on your computer. You will need an anti-static wrist strap, a screwdriver, your PC, a new graphics card. Stage 1. Slap on the strap. Turn your computer off and get your strap out. An anti-static strap looks a bit like something that might also involve a gag ball, but it is very important. Electricity can cause major problems for the delicate components inside the computer, so it's important you stay grounded, okay? So strap it on and connect it to the PC case. Once you have, it will automatically discharge all the static electricity from your body. Take off any nylon jumpers and avoid rubbing your feet against the carpet while you're there. Stage 2. To the tower. Next up is finding your way into the tower. To get into it, you have to take off the panel which is on the right hand side if you're looking at the tower from the back. Open up this part of the computer case by carefully removing the screws at the back of the tower. Then, with the calm hands of a surgeon, slide the panel. Marvellous. If possible, hold your hands in the air like a surgeon and have an attractive lady mop your brow and talk about how splendid a job you're doing. Stage 3. Locate the motherboard. The motherboard is the part of your computer where the AGP card plugs in. If you look bewildered, AGP stands for Advanced Graphics Port. If you get lost, the AGP card is where your monitor cable plugs in. This is what we'll be changing. Stage 4. Insert it hard. Once you've found the graphics card, undo the screw that holds it in the case. Grab your old card firmly and slide it out of the motherboard. Now get your new card and insert it like the pro that you are. Make sure the card is fully in the slot and do up your screw. Stage 5. It all comes to fruition. Put the panel back into place, replace the screws, install all the software that's on the new card, and bask in the warm feeling of mastering technology, like you've just broken in a wild horse. Giddy up, cowboy.